Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with another video and you can see this warning. There's a triangle icon is displaying. Okay, the one issue is this one and again I will off the machine and again on. So you can see this triangle icon is displaying. Secondly, it is not starting. So now I will go outside and show you the engine side. My engine is cranking but not starting. Okay, you heard? So you can see again it. Okay. So engine is cranking but it is not starting. This machine is a JCB Backhoe Loader. Okay, here is a triangle icon is displaying and also it's not starting. So I'm going to check it. You can see. Okay, the engine is cranking but not starting. The most probability the problem this is a short of a solenoid. So I will change this one and will check my problem is finished or not. So as you can see, this one is my fuel shut off solenoid, which one I am going to fix to my JCB backhoe loader. And after fixing it, we will see our issues is finished or not. So we know I came back to my machine. So here this one is a fuel pump and this one is my fuel shut off solenoid. Okay, so first I remove this old one. I remove the connector of this fuel shut off solenoid. Okay, so now this one is a free. This by using the 19 spanner, I will first remove this old one. Okay, when this one is removed, then I will fix the new one. Okay, so be with me. We will change the fuel shut off solenoid. So as you can see, I have removed the old fuel shut off solenoid. Now I'm going to fix the new one. Okay, so be with me. So I'm going to fix the new fuel shut off solenoid. So here you can I'm fixing the new one. So here you see I have fixed my fuel shut off solenoid to the machine. Now I am going to inside the cabin and will check the condition of machine. Now I came inside the cabin and going to on the machine. Warning is still coming. The warning is still coming, but my machine has started. Start go. So as you observed, after fixing the fuel shut off solenoid, my starting problem has finished. Now my machine is starting excellently, but this warning is still there. This warning is not finished. Maybe this warning is due to other issues. So these issues we will discuss in my next video. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.